Hello, in this video, I would like to show you how to use our newest LED kits upgrade kit we call LSR series, which is the LED kits, LED strips already taped to L-shaped reflectors. And this particular kit is for a panel 1000 HMI. So this kit comes with the the LED kit with reflectors, drivers, wire with small hooks. I tell you how to do it. There's no soldering required, but before we do it, let's check out what the number of this display. The spray is Allen Bradley 2711-T10C15. See it? 2711-T10C15. Okay. All right. Before we do it, we take a look at the screen. This screen actually still works, but it's a little bit dim. I'm gonna connect the power to it, show it to you. So it's not really bright, but it's not bad at all with the CCFL. But all right, we plug it in. Okay. You hear the noise, but that noise is generated actually by a inverter transformer. So let me see if you see or not, but a little bit. Maybe you can see better like this. I don't know. Let me put it this way. It's still booting. Well, I mean, still see it, but it's not really bright though. Anyway, so let me show you how to upgrade this. Remove the power first. Pretty much you had to, well, you don't need to do the soldering, but you had to almost disassemble everything. I have removed some screw already. So first, remove the covers. The plastic cover. There's 4 screws, okay, that holding that cover, plastic cover. First, we remove that like this. See the chassis? Okay, this is the power supply, and next thing, we remove the chassis, power supply. Well, before I remove it, I want to show you the pin out of this one. This one actually is a power supply. The first pin one is 3.3, second 5 volt, third is 12 volt. This is fourth and fifth is ground. This is negative 12 volts. So we can actually, we can take a quick look here. So let me put the power cord back. It's quite easy. You don't need to really measure it, but I just want to show it to you. You know, you have a meter here. Okay, we just connect the black pole to ground. See the first one. I'm going to show you this way, so that way you can probably see better. 3.1, pin 2, 4.96, actually 5 volt, pin 3, 11.89, actually is 12 volt, pin 4 is ground, pin 5 is ground, pin 6 is negative 12 volt. Okay, so we know the pin now. Okay, let's remove this power. Alright, so we can first, in order to upgrade, we had to remove the power supply and then this chassis too. So there's 4 screws holding the chassis. First, this connector I'm going to show you later on is actually connected to the backlight lamp, CCF lamp. This is the noise you hear is from this transformer. This transformer vibrates. Anyway, so remove it first. Power supply. We know the pin now already. Pin 1 is 3.1, and pin 2 5 volt, pin 3 4 12 volt, and pin 4 and pin 5 it's a ground and pin 6 is negative 12 volts. So we just see this slowly pull out. See this pin, right? So this is a touch screen because the screen's right there, so we need to remove this one too. So we just remove it. Take the charger out. Okay. Alright. Okay. There's few screws, 6 screws that holding this main board. Oops. Here's the screw goes. Oh, right here. Okay. One more. Or 2 more. One is here, so 6 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 screws actually. Okay. You already remove touchscreen, then you can also remove this connector. This is a connector to the screen. So, alright. You take it out. Now you see the screen, right? This, okay. So, in order to upgrade LED, there's 4 screws holding this metal frame. We need to remove the metal frame first, because after screen, you can see soon it's actually mounted on this metal frame on the other side. So alright, slowly take it out. Be careful, just don't damage this ribbon cables. This was the touch screen that attached to the front. Alright, so we're gonna set the touch screen aside. Okay, let's take a look at this one. This is screen. First, we had to remove the screen. You see the screen was mounted in 4 screws, right? So basically, I just show you this is the connectors. Okay, this actually is a backlight connectors. Okay, so we remove this one. Then we took out a screen. We can just leave it this screen here. I mean 2 screws, but this one had to completely remove. Okay. After that, you just disconnect this connector. That's fine. Okay. I think this angle looks much better. So it's much brighter. So let me see here. We're gonna push this one. Okay, exit. Run mode. So everything looks like a function. Screen. Alright. So memory cards. Thank you for watching.